So as you can see, I have no makeup on, and I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this color right here, and I believe it's called Beautiful Beauty Gems. That's the name. Beauty Gems is the name of my eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna start doing this. The crease. Now, I'm going to put it in the outer corner of my eye. Paris Voluminous mascara. I'm going to do my eyelashes, obviously. And you want to do your bottom lashes as well. So this part is optional, but off camera I'm going to add these fake bottom lashes. I'll even show you which lashes I'm going to use. I think I'm going to go with these ones right here. On my primer. That's how I open it. And I'm going to be very careful not to ruin my eye makeup while I'm putting on primer. What's this doing here? Oh, I got some black eyeshadow there. If you told me in the comments already, I was kind of aware anyway. And I need to glue this more, which I will do off camera. I will show you how. And some blemishes right here. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender, dip it into some water, and blend it out carefully. I know this eyelash, I put glue on it, but it's still not cooperating. And now my Maybelline foundation. I need more. Sometimes with cosplay makeup, well, not sometimes, always, you always want to do too much than too little. I think it's common sense by now that when you do your cosplay makeup, you want it to be very heavy because you don't know if, well, you could be a TikToker and you're on camera a lot, or you could be taking pictures at a convention, whatever you're doing with your cosplay life. The point is, it's very important that you have some kind of foundation on. Right here. I have a wig that I'm going to use to cosplay Pepa, and this color matches the wig perfectly because I've worn the wig multiple times and I know exactly what color to match it with. I'm going to take my CoverGirl pressing powder in the color white and just set the foundation, and also I don't like it when my face is shiny, so that's a given when I use pressed powder. My Revlon lipstick.